Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power and letting the lamp cool. This reduces shock and burn risks. Once off, position a stable ladder and lay a towel or shallow box under the fixture to catch drops. Make sure you're wearing gloves and safety glasses so glass shards don't contact skin. You should also check the bulb type. CFLs contain small mercury traces, so treat removal differently than an LED. Start now with steady hands and a clear workspace to avoid rushed mistakes. You remove the bulb by focusing on the base. For screw-in bulbs, hold the plastic or ceramic base, not the glass, and turn slowly counterclockwise. Once done, if the base feels stuck, wrap a cloth around pliers to protect finishes and turn with steady pressure. Supporting the fixture with your other hand prevents damage. For bayonet or push-fit bulbs, depress the clip and twist as designed. Make sure to keep the towel beneath to catch any falling fragments, and set the removed bulb on a stable surface. You finish by placing the bulb in a padded container and taking CFLs to a proper recycling site to avoid mercury release. Once done, replace with a compatible bulb and test the socket briefly. Make sure the replacement fits snugly and the fixture does not overheat. If the bulb breaks, open windows, leave the room for 10-15 minutes, then use stiff paper and damp cloth to collect fragments. Never vacuum. If you see flicker, smoking, or excessive heat, cut power immediately and consult a qualified electrician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.